Okay, good morning students. Now let us discuss remaining worked examples in electric potential and capacitance chapter. So that is problem number 29. 28 already completed in yesterday class. Now let us discuss 29th problem. A parallel plate capacitor is made up of 11 metal plates. Each of area is given that is 0.0024 meter square. Square meter is nothing but meter square. Separated by mica sheets of thickness. So thickness is given, that is 0.0001 meter. A dielectric constant of mica is K already given, that is 6. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. These students, a parallel plate capacitor is made up of 11 metal plates, each of area 0.0024 square meter, separated by mica sheets of thickness 0.0001 meter. 0.0001 meter. Okay, first stop. Calculate the, of course, dielectric constant already given 6. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. So, a parallel plate capacitor is made up of 11 metal plates. Nana. Please remember it. 11 metal plates is nothing but how many capacitors? How many capacitors? See, suppose dear students, so this is so like this. So this is small arrangement like this. So number of plates like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See 11 metal plates. So these are the 11 metal plates, Nana. So 11 metal plates consisting how many capacitors? How many capacitors? Suppose like this. This is the parallel plate capacitor. So how many plates are there? 11 metal plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on 11. So how many capacitors are there? How many capacitors are there? So plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 metal plates. Total 11 metal plates. How many capacitors? 10 capacitors. Because this is one capacitor like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 capacitors. 10 capacitor consist 11 metal plates. 11 metal plates. Okay. So suppose n plates. A parallel plate capacitor consists n plates, n minus 1 capacitors. Simple logic. N plates, n minus 1 capacitors. Total number of plates is what? N. How many capacitors are there? N minus 1 capacitors are there. So capacitor consisting to equal area, it consisting of 2 plates, only 2 plates like this. A parallel plate capacitor like this. This is a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. A parallel plate capacitor consisting of 2 metal rods having equal area, separated by small distance. This is the distance. This is one capacitor. This is one capacitor. Suppose itla undanuko, this is one. So madhyalo oka line undi, for example, ipudu how many plates are there? 3 plates. 1, 2, 3. How many capacitors are there? How many capacitors? 2 capacitors. 1 capacitor. This is 2 capacitors. So this is 1 capacitor. This is 1 capacitor. 2 capacitors. 2 capacitors. How many plates? 3 plates. Okay. So in this case, 11 plates are there. 11 plates is nothing but 10 capacitors. 11 plates is nothing but 10 capacitors. See, for n plates, n minus 1 capacitors. N minus 1 capacitors. Simple logic and very easy. Okay. So now, see, So how many plates? 11 plates. How many capacitors? Number of capacitors is what? 10 capacitors. 10 capacitors. Okay. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitors. So net capacitance. Net capacitance. Net capacitance C is equal to A epsilon naught by D into K. K also is there. Dielectric constant also is there. So how many capacitors? N minus 1 capacitors. Total 11 plates is there. 10 capacitors are there. 11 plates, 10 capacitors. So total 10 capacitors. So 10 into A epsilon naught D by A epsilon naught K by D. So total net capacitance is what? 10 into A epsilon naught K by D. C is equal to 10 into A. Like this is 24 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Epsilon naught 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 divided by, see, K is there. What is the value of K? 6. So divided, what is the value of D? Is thickness is nothing but distance between the plates. This is thickness is nothing but distance. That is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Like this, cancel it. Minus 4 cancel out. Then using calculator, so the final answer is like this: 0.0128 microfarad. Like this. 0.0128 microfarad. So this is the net capacitance of 11 plates capacitor. 11 plates is nothing but 10 capacitors. 11 plates consist 10 capacitors. Please remember it, and very most important. For n plates, n minus 1 capacitors. N minus 1 capacitors. Okay. So now next problem, that is problem number 30. See this, problem number 30. A GaN capacitor is formed by interlocking a number of plates as shown in the figure. The distance between consecutive plates means neighboring plates. The distance between consecutive plates is 0.885. Distance between any two plates 0.885 meters. Okay. The overlapping area of the plates is, area is equal to what? 5 centimeter square, like this. Centimeter square means 10 power minus 4 meter square. What is the capacitance of unit? What is the capacitance of unit, Nana? See, already given. GaN capacitance is already given. So like this. So GaN capacitors. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Total 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And like this. See this. So this is the GaN capacitors are interlocking. Okay. How many plates are there? Total plates. We calculate first of all total plates. Total plates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plates. Dear students, please remember it. 9 plates are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plates. How many capacitors? 8 capacitors. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 capacitors. 9 plates. So already we know 11 plates consist. How many capacitors? 11 plates consist 10 capacitors. 9 plates consist 8 capacitors. N plates consist n minus 1 capacitors. Same manner. Okay. N plates n minus 1 capacitors. See, in this case, total plates 9. How many capacitors are there? 8 capacitors are there. So total number of capacitors n is equal to, of course, n minus 1 is n is equal to what? N is equal to 9. N minus 1 is equal to 8 capacitors. So net capacitance of the circuit, net capacitance of the circuit. C is equal to total 8 into A epsilon naught by D. So there is no dielectric constant in this case. In between plates, air is there. Air is a medium. So 8 into epsilon naught by D. See this. What is the value of A? C is equal to 8 into, what is the value of area? 0.885. So now దీన్ని నేను ఎట్లా రాస్తానంటే 8.85 రాస్తాను into 10 power minus 1 into epsilon naught value 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 divided by, what is the value of C? Area is what? Sorry. So area is 5 into area 5 into 10 power minus 4 nana. 5 into 10 power minus 4. Area epsilon naught 8.854 10 power minus 12, that is the constant value. What is the value of D? So like this. దీన్ని నేను 8.85 into 10 power minus 1 రాసింది. Distance 0.885. ఒకవేళ ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చాను 8.85 10 power minus 1 రాసింది. Simple calculation like this cancel out. So 8 into 5. So that is 40 into 10 to the power half. పైకి వస్తుందనా ప్లస్ 1 అవుతుందిరా. సో ప్లస్ 1 అంటే ఇక్కడికి ఇది 11 మైనస్ 11 మైనస్ 14, దట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ మైనస్ 15 ఫారడ్స్. మైనస్ 15 ఫారడ్స్ నానా. So what this is problem number 30. Problem number 30. See this. Problem number 30. Okay. Centimeter square is nothing but 10 power minus 4 is correct. 10 power minus 4 meter square. So C is equal to 8 into epsilon naught by D. A value 5 into 10 power minus 4 into 8.85 10 power minus 12 divided by 8.85 10 power minus 1 is correct. So this is 3 uttra 3 minus 3 and minus 12 minus 15 is correct answer. This is the correct one. So which answer wrong? Pico anadu, that is the wrong answer. So this is the correct answer. C value. Okay na? Next one. Next 31 na. 31 problem. Next problem, that is 31. So problem number 31. మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్లో మీకు ఎంత వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. In a parallel capacitor of capacitance C, a metal sheet is inserted between the plates. Okay, this is problem number 31. This is also just a CET problem. Simple like this. This is the metal plate is inserted like this. So in a parallel capacitor of capacitance C, capacitance already given C, a metal sheet is inserted between the plates parallel to them, exactly parallel to them. Okay, the thickness of the sheet is half of the separation between the plates. Thickness of the sheet like this. This is the sheet is inserted between the plates. Thickness of the sheet is half of the separation between the plates. And the total separation is what? D అనుకున్నారా. ఇది D by 2 అవుతుంది. ఇది D by 4 అవుతుందిరా. This is also D by 4. D by 4 plus D by 4, D by 2. This is also D by 2. Total D. Okay. What is the new capacitance? What is the new capacitance? We calculate new capacitance. See. ఒకసారి మీరు వాచ్ చేస్తారా. This is one capacitor and this is one capacitor. Two capacitors connected end by end. So the rearrangement of the circuit like this. So nana దీనికి కనెక్షన్ ఉందా? దీనికి కనెక్షన్ ఉందా? ఎందుకంటే this is the dielectric slab. This is one capacitor. This is also one capacitor. సో దీని కనెక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రెండు కనెక్షన్ తీసి జస్ట్ నేను వన్ కనెక్షన్ రాస్తాను. ఇది ఇక్కడ రాసి జస్ట్ కనెక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ కెపాసిటర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ కెపాసిటర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ కెపాసిటర్. ఓకే, సో టూ కెపాసిటర్ like this. This is the rearrangement. One capacitor, second capacitor. Two capacitors connected in series combination like this. This is arrangement. Two capacitors connected in series combination. Okay. So moreover, capacitance is equal to A epsilon naught by D. So that is C proportional to 1 by D nana. C inversely proportional to D. So distance between the plates decreases, capacitance increases. C distance between the plates is what? D by 4. D by 4. And distance between them is reduced by 4 times. Capacitance increased by 4 times. So capacitance, new capacitance is equal to what? So C1 is equal. This is suppose this is C1. This is C2. Distance between them is reduced by 4 times. Its capacitance increased by 4 times. This is 4C. This is C1 is 4C. 4 times increases. Similarly, C2 is equal to what? This is also 4C. Because of distance between two plates reduced by 4 times, its capacitance increased by 4 times. Okay, C1 4C, C2 also 4C. Okay, then these two are in a series combination. Connected in a series combination. What is the net capacitance? C net is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. This is already formula for series combination of two capacitors. Okay, so what is the value of C1? 4C. C2 also 4C. So 4C into 4C divided by 4C plus 4C, 8C. C cancel. So 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So C net is equal to ultimately 2C. This is the answer. Simple answer. C net is equal to what? 2C now. Okay. Okay. Next I will go for next problem. This is simple way. Okay. C net is equal to 2C. So next one, problem number 32. Problem number 32. See, this is also CD problem. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor becomes 4 by 3 times its original value if a dielectric slab of thickness T is equal to D by 2 is inserted between the plates, where small d is the distance of separation between the plates. What is the dielectric constant of the slab? Okay. Now once again I will repeat. The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor becomes, so new capacitance C dash equal to 4 by 3 times of C. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor becomes 4 by 3 times its original value. So what is the value of C? C is equal to, that is the parallel plate capacitor, A should not be D nana. So whenever like this, a dielectric slab is inserted between the plates, its capacitance increases by 4 by 3 times of original value. Initially like this, with air, with slab, 4 by 3 times increases. Okay, the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor becomes 4 by 3 times its original value if a dielectric slab of thickness, okay, T is equal to D by 2. ఒకసారి కేర్ఫుల్ వాచ్ చేయాలన్నా, ఇదిగో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆఫ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్. ఈ ఆఫ్లో డైరెక్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పెట్టాడు. దీని థిక్నెస్ వచ్చి ఎంత? థిక్నెస్ వచ్చి D by 2. మరి ఇది ఎంత? ఇదిగో D by 2. కరెక్ట్గా D by 2లో టోటల్ వచ్చి D నన్నా, టోటల్ వచ్చి D. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్. Total distance between the two plates, small d, half of the region a dielectric slab will be inserted. So remaining region will be empty. In this region air is there. This is air nana. So air lo the dielectric constant entra air di 1. So this is K2 anukundam mano. K2 is equal to 1. Dini dielectric constant K1 anukundam. K1 is equal to what? K1 is equal to find out cheyalım. Okay, K1 find out cheyadam. What is the dielectric constant of the slab? Okay nana? Okay, carefully watch cheyadam. So capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor medium as dielectric is given by, that is C dash is equal to A epsilon naught K by D naught. కేర్ఫుల్ వాచ్ చేయండిరా. ఈ కేని దిగువ తీసుకొస్తున్నాను రా. ఏ ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ డి బై కే పైకి పోతే లైక్ ది సేమ్ ఏ ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ కే బై డి. సో దీన్ని టూ పార్ట్స్ చేస్తున్నాను కదా. ఏ ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ బై d1 బై k1 ప్లస్ d2 బై k2. దీన్ని షిఫ్ట్ చేశాను జస్ట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్, టోటల్ డైరెక్ట్రిక్ కాన్స్టెంట్. అయితే వీడు హాఫ్ పార్ట్ ఎంత పార్ట్ అని పెట్టలే. సో టూ పార్ట్స్ చేసాడు కాబట్టి నేను టూ పార్ట్ చేశాను. d1 by k1 ప్లస్ d2 by k2. C dash is equal to a epsilon naught divided by, so d1 is equal to what? First half d by 2. d1 is equal to what? This is d1, this is d2. Okay, d1 equal to d by 2, k1 is equal to k. Of course k1 is nothing but k1 ne raskontra, k1 plus d2 is nothing but d by 2 into k2 value is what? 1. Clear? Okay, so d common ra. A epsilon naught d common 1 by 2 k1 plus 1 by 2. So d common తీసాను నా, d common తీసాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. సో 1 by 2 k1 plus 1 by 2. A epsilon naught by d is nothing but C dash is equal to like this. This is what? C dash. C divided by 1 by 2 k1 plus 1 by 2. C divided by like this. This is LCM is what? 2 k1, 1 plus k1, 1 plus k1. Okay na? So okay, what is the value of C dash? Like this, 4 by 3c. C dash equal to 4 by 3c is equal to C divided by 1 plus k1 by 2 k1. Okay na? C cancel out. C cancel out. So ultimately 2 k1 by 1 plus k1. So on cross multiplication, 4 plus 4k1 is equal to what? 3 into 2, 6k1. It is clear. 4 is equal to what? 2k1. 2 ones are 2 2s are. K1 is equal to what? 2. This is the dielectric constant of the insected slab. So K1 is equal to 32 power what? 2. It is clear. So simple way. So this is the just one mark bit in CET examination point of view or NEET examination point of view. K1 is equal to what? 2. Okay? C dash is equal to what? 4 by 3c. That is equal to C by 1 plus K1 by 2 K1. C get cancelled out. So this is denominator, that is 2 K1 by 1 plus K1. On cross multiplication like this. Then finally we will get K1 is equal to what? 2 none. Okay. Next problem. That is problem number 32. Dear student, A epsilon by d value is what? C. That is C Rasi. Okay. Next 33 problem. Problem number 33 nana. Problem number 33. Okay. See, a parallel plate capacitor has capacitance C. A parallel plate capacitor has capacitance is what? C. So C is a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance is A epsilon naught by D. C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. Already we know. When it is half filled with a dielectric or dielectric constant 5. See, dear student, this is the parallel plate capacitor. Distance between them is D, exactly half. Filled with half means D by 2. Filled with the dielectric constant is what? K is equal to 5. So remaining half lo emundra ee D by 2 lo emundi d by 2 లో air ఉంది నాన్న, air, that is k is equal to 1. Suppose this is k1, this is k2, k2 is equal to 1. In remaining half air is there, one half dielectric constant is there, one slab, okay, material, some material is there. When it is all filled with a dielectric constant 5, what is the percentage increase in the capacitance? What is the percentage increase in the capacitance? Dear students, please remember it. Whenever a slab is inserted between the plates, its capacitance increases. Its capacitance increases. Already we know. See this. What percentage of capacitance increases? Okay. See, whenever a slab is inserted, new capacitance C dash is equal to A epsilon naught D, A epsilon naught K by D. Already we know. Same manner in previous problem, A epsilon naught D by K, A epsilon naught D by K nana. See, A epsilon naught by, so D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2. Two parts చేశాను రా. దీన్ని D1 అనుకున్నాను, దాన్ని D2 అనుకున్నాను. ఆ D1 D2 వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ఉదాహరణ K1, ఉదాహరణ K2. ఓకే, ఇది ఏ రేషియోలో ఉండొచ్చు. D1 వాల్యూ D by 2 ఉండొచ్చు, D by 3 ఉండొచ్చు, D by 4 ఉండొచ్చు. వాడు ఏ రేషియోలో డివైడ్ చేస్తే అది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. సింపుల్. A epsilon naught divided by C dash is equal to A epsilon naught divided by, what is the value of D1? First half. This is, I want D1. I will take D1. D1 is equal to what? D by 2. D by 2 K1 plus D2. This is, of course, this is D2. D2 is equal to what? D by 2. 2 D by 2 K2. K2 is equal to what? 1 nana. 1. Okay. See, A epsilon naught divided by D common draw. 1 by 2 into K1. K1 is equal to what? 5. 5 into 2, 10. It's clear. Plus 1 by 2. So, what is the value of A epsilon naught by D? So, that is C now. This is what? C. So, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 10 is nothing but what? 0.1. 1 by 2, 0.5. Okay. So, ultimately, C divided by 0.6. 0.6. Okay, na? Clear? 0.6. C dash is equal to C by 0.6. Okay. Now, C dash by C is equal to 0.6. Okay, C dash by C. This is the new capacitance. This is the what? New capacitance. Or other, in other form, for example, see, I will take LCM. Suppose I will take LCM. C by LCM is what? 10 to, so of course 10, LCM is 10. 5 2s are raised to. Or suppose 2 5s are, 2 1s are. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 is the LCM. So 1 plus 5. Okay, 2 5s are, so 5. Okay, C divided by, this is 6. So 10 by 6. 10 C by 6. See, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. C dash is equal to 5 by 3 times increases. New capacitance. Whenever a slab is inserted between the plates, its capacitance increased by 5 by 3 times of C. So, what percentage? What percentage, Nana? So, what percentage of capacitance increases? So, how to find out the percentage? So, C dash minus C by C into 100. This is the formula. How to find out the percentage? Increase in percentage. Okay. C dash minus C into 100. Simply C dash minus C minus 1 into 100. Whatever it. Okay, that is equal to C dash minus C is equal to what? Like this. C dash by C is equal to 5 by 3 nana. Okay, so 5 by 3 minus 1 into 100. Minus 1 into 100. That is equal to 5 by 3 is nothing but 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 100. 100%. So that is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to what? So 0.66. Of course, 67%. Ultimately, 66.7%. That is the answer. That is the answer. Of course, 20 by 3, 20 means 3, 6, 18. So 66.7%. So using calculator solve this. Simple. 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.667 into 100 is nothing but 66.7%. Okay. So percentage increase in capacitance is equal to what? 66.7% capacitance increases. This is the new capacitance and percentage increase is equal to what? 66.7. Okay. Now, so let us discuss next problem. Okay, Nana, that is problem number 34. Problem number 34, Nana. Okay, we cannot doubt it, I'll message change now. Simple method. Okay. So next problem, 34th problem. Problem number 34. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has capacitance of 9 picofarad. First one air, Nana, that is A epsilon naught by D ra, that is equal to 9 picofarad. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has capacitance 9 picofarad. Full stop. The separation between its plates is D. Okay, see this. This is the parallel plate capacitor, air between them. Capacitance farad, like this. The distance between the two plates is what? D. Next one. The space between the plates now filled with two dielectrics. One of the dielectric has dielectric constant K1 equal to 3. See, two dielectrics like this. This is first dielectric. So what is the value of K1? K1 equal to 3. And the thickness is what? D by 3, Nana. So the thickness is D by 3. Next, while other one has dielectric constant. So like this is the another dielectric constant is inserted. So like this. The distance is what? 2D by 3. A total D, Nana. Total is what? D. First dielectric constant K1 equal to 3. Thickness of what? D by 3. Second one, thickness is 2D by 3. Dielectric constant K2 is equal to 6. K2 is equal to 6. Total distance వచ్చి D రా. అందులో D by 3 part ఏమో ఈ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది. K1 equal to 3 నా. ఇంకొక 2D by 3. 2D by 3 part, 2 parts. 1 part వచ్చేసి ఒక మెటీరియల్ పెట్టాడు. 2 parts వచ్చేసి ఇంకో మెటీరియల్. The dielectric constant is different. The value of dielectric constant is depends upon nature of the medium. Nature of the medium. Okay, it is different for different medias. Okay. What will be the capacitance of the capacitor now? See this new capacitance. What is the new capacitance? Calculate the new capacitance whenever two dielectric slabs are inserted. So new capacitance C dash is equal to A epsilon naught K by D, Nana. Same manner. A epsilon naught D by K. So like this, denominator is switch. Malla pai the same formula vachchestundi. A epsilon naught D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2. దీనే 2 parts చేశాను. టోటల్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇదే. C dash is equal to దీనే 2 parts చేశాను. A epsilon naught by D1. What is the value of D1? D by 3 first one. D by 3. What is the value of K1? D by 3. K1, that is 3. So D1 value, this is D1 and the first one is D1. This is D1. This is D2. D2 value 2D by 3. So D1 is equal to D by 3. K1 value what? 3. 3 into 3. Plus D2 value what? 2D by 3 into K2 value what? 6. Okay, clear. So A epsilon naught D common this andra 1 by 9 plus 2 ones are 2 3s are 9. Okay, now that is also 1 by 9. 1 by 9, clear. C dash is equal to A epsilon by D is equal to what? A epsilon by D value what? 9. 9 divided by 9 pico, of course. 9 divided by 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. LCM is what? 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 81 picofarad by 2. Ultimately, 81 half 40.5 picofarad. This is a simple problem. Okay, 40.5 picofarad. Okay, Nana. Next. Next one. This is the last problem in this session. Of course, this is the last one in this chapter. So simple logic and the easy one. Last problem. Okay. 35. A parallel plate capacitor has plates of area A is equal to 0.12 meter square. 0.12 meter square. And a separation of, that is the D value, 1.2 centimeter square. Centimeter means 10 power minus 2 meter. A parallel plate capacitor has plates of area 0.12 meter square and a separation of 1.2 centimeter. Okay, clear. Separation of 1.2 centimeter. A battery charges the plates to a potential difference of 120 volts and is then disconnected. So V value at 120 volts. See this? This is the parallel plate capacitor, plus minus. Okay, so V value 120 volts icharu. 120 volts ichi dini charge chesara. So charge, suppose this is Q be the charge on the plates. Charging, charge storing, and is then disconnected. A dielectric slab of thickness 0.4 centimeter and the dielectric constant is 4.8 is then placed symmetrically between the plates. Okay, full stop. Find the capacitance before, after the slab is inserted. Also find the capacitance before and after the slab is inserted. Full stop. Also find the charge before, after the slab is inserted. What is the change in potential difference due to the introduction of the slab? Okay, Nana. So first of all, before dielectric slab inserted, before slab inserted, only between the plates only air is there, and also this is the dielectric, this is the battery also is there initially. Okay, before slab inserted, charge is what, capacitance is what? C is equal to A epsilon naught by D nana. Already we know. What is the value of A? 0.12 into epsilon naught value 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 divided by D 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, na? So simple, after simplification, so this is cancelled nearly 8.8 something. Okay. So what is the value of capacitance? That is what? 88.54 picofarad. Using calculator solve this, please. This cancel, simply cancel, remaining value is there. 88.54 picofarad. This is the before slab inserted capacitance. Charge is what? Charge Q is equal to C into V. This is air run. This is the air capacitor. 88.54 pico means what? Pico minus 12 into V value 120. Okay, ultimately charge is equal to before slab. Charge is equal to what? Using calculator like this, 1.1 into approximately minus 8 coulombs. Nana, మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి, ఇది మీకు ఎంత వస్తే అంత రాయండి. ఏదైనా బై మిస్టేక్ బుక్లో తప్పించుండొచ్చు. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, ఓన్లీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, ఓకే. దిస్ ఈస్ ద అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాల్యూ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద Q value. Before slab inserted like this. Next, okay, find the capacitance before and after, and find the charge before and after slab inserted. Okay, after the slab was inserted, method చూడండి చాలు. After the slab was inserted, after the slab was inserted like this. Please remember it, student. This is the capacitor. Slab insert చేశారా? A direct slab of thickness 0.4 centimeter. So like this is the slab. 0.4 centimeter no slab పెట్టాడు. 0.4 centimeters. Direct constant is what? K1 is equal to 4.82. Okay na? Direct slab of thickness 0.4. Nana, total distance enta? First of all, distance between the two 1.2 centimeter. 1.2 centimeter. 1.2 centimeter లో 0.4 centimeter పోతే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉందిరా? సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉందిరా? 0.8 ఉంది. అంతేగా? దిస్ ఈస్ ద 0.8. 0.8 centimeter remaining is there. Direct constant of this region, what? That is equal to 1, because this is air. This is the air. ఎంత గ్యాప్ అయిందిరా? 0.8. 0.8 0.4 ఎంతరా? 1.2. It is clear. 1.2 centimeters. See this, 1.2 centimeter. Centimeters means 10 power minus 2. Okay? It is clear. So this is K1 equal to 4.8 and K2 is equal to 1. Okay? This is D1 ra. This is D2. Okay? Find the capacitance before and after the slab inserted. Full stop. Also find the charge before and after slab inserted. What is the change in potential? Okay. So before slab already find out చేసాం. ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందంట? ఇదే ఫైనల్ కాదు, ఇది మీకు ఎంత వస్తుందంట క్యాలిక్యులేటర్తో చేసాం. After slab was inserted like this. What is the new capacitance? So capacitance already we know C is equal to A epsilon naught K by D. epsilon naught d by k, epsilon naught d by k nena. So denominator rasantadi epsilon naught d1 by k1 plus d2 by k2 ra. So new capacitance C dash, this is C dash. C dash is equal to, what is the value of area? A equal to 0.12 into epsilon naught value what? 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 divided by D1. What is the value of D1? 0.4. 0.4 divided by K1. 4.8. 4.8. Right. 0.4 centimeter is there. Centimeter is common this time directly. Plus D2. 0.8 divided by K2. What is the value of K2? 1. Common is what? 10 power minus 2 is common because centimeter is there. So 10 power minus 2 common. So calculate the direct 0.4 by 4.8 plus 0.81 by 0.8 by 1. మీరు వేసేసి సాల్వ్ చేసేయండి డైరెక్ట్గా C dash వాల్యూ వచ్చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద న్యూ కెపాసిటెన్స్. న్యూ కెపాసిటెన్స్ మీకు ఇది వాడు ఇవ్వటం 120 ఇచ్చాడు, 120.3 పికో ఇచ్చాడు. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇది అఫ్కోర్స్ వాడు ఇవ్వటం ఇచ్చాడు బుక్లో, బట్ ఇది కరెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, రాంగ్ అవ్వచ్చు, నాకు డౌట్ ఉంది చూస్తా. ఇది మీరు ఎంత వస్తే అంత మీకు దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్, మీకు ఎంత వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్. 120.3 పికో ఫారడ్, దట్ ఈస్ ద సి డాష్. సో ఓకేనా, సాల్వ్ చేసి ఎంత వస్తే అంత 120 రావాలని లేదు, వాడు ఇచ్చాడు, అది మేబీ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ మీరు ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ సి డాష్, న్యూ కెపాసిటెన్స్ వచ్చింది. బ్యాటరీ రిమూవ్ చేశాడు కాబట్టి చార్జ్ రిమైన్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్, చార్జ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వదు, చార్జ్ సేమ్ బికాస్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో బ్యాటరీ. ఓకే, battery was removed, charge remains same, charge is same. So whenever battery was removed, charge remains constant. Charge entra q is equal to what, 1.1. ఇదే charge ఉంటుంది, 1.1 10 power minus 8 coulombs. ఓకే, కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి బిఫోర్ ఎంత ఉంది 88, తర్వాత ఎంత ఉంది ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు 120 ఉంది. కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, పొటెన్షియల్ డిక్రీజ్ అయిందన. సో పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద ప్లేట్స్ decreases. So new potential V dash is equal, okay, Q by C, Q equal to C like this. So Q is equal to what, 1.1 into 10 power minus 8 divided by, so new capacitance C dash 120.3 pico means minus 2. Okay, so V dash is equal to, and మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయండి, అది ఎంత వస్తే అంత. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు 91.4 వచ్చింది అనుకుందాం, దిస్ ఇస్ 91.4 వోల్ట్స్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ, దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్, అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ క్యాల్కులేట్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి మీరు, ఇంత వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద న్యూ పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్. కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, పొటెన్షియల్ ఇస్ వాట్, డిక్రీజెస్ బిట్వీన్ ద ప్లేట్స్. ఓకే, చేంజ్ ఇన్ పొటెన్షియల్, finally change in potential, change in potential, delta V is equal to V minus V dash. V entra first 120 minus V dash 91.4. So ultimate answer is, of course, we 28 ఇచ్చాక మీకు నేను అనుకోవటం 28.6 volts. This is the answer. 28.6 volts is the final answer. మన వాడు ఇచ్చింది, మేబీ ఇది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, నాకు ఫస్ట్ డౌట్ ఉంది ఆన్సర్లో. నేను చేంజ్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే మీ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. నాకు ఐ థింక్ 16 సంథింగ్ రావచ్చు, లేదంటే ఇదే రావచ్చు, ఏదైనా సరే. ఓకే, మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసి తెలుసుకోండి, మీకు ఎంత వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నేను క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయలేదా, మీరు చేయండి. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. చార్జ్ అనేది సేమ్ అన్న, ఎందుకంటే టు రిమూవ్ ద బ్యాటరీ లేదు కాబట్టి ఛార్జ్ మాత్రం అంతే ఉంటుంది. కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది, ఎందుకంటే స్లాబ్ వాజ్ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ బిట్వీన్ ద ప్లేట్స్, ద కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, potential decreases like this, potential decreases. Initial potential is what, 120. Whenever to remove the, hey, please remember it, 120 volts battery తో దీన్ని స్టోర్ చేసినప్పుడు in between the plates also 120 volts ఉంటుంది కదా. Then after to remove the battery, potential ఏమవుతుంది, డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. పొటెన్షియల్ 120 కాస్త ఎంత అవుతుందా, 91.4 అయింది అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ. ఓకే, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బ్యాటరీతో దీన్ని ఛార్జ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 120 వోల్ట్స్ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా వోల్టేజీ స్టోర్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత దీన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే సప్లై లేదు కాబట్టి అది తగ్గుతుంది అనమాట. 120 వోల్ట్స్ కాస్త సప్లై లేదు, ఒకటి 120 వోల్ట్స్ ఉంది, ఓకే, అది అట్లానే ఉంటుంది కదా 120 వోల్ట్స్. ఎప్పుడైతే స్లాబ్ పెట్టావో కెపాసిటెన్స్ పెరిగింది, కెపాసిటెన్స్ పెరగడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, పొటెన్షియల్ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. పొటెన్షియల్ అనేది ఏమవుతుందా, డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ గా లైక్ దిస్. స్లాబ్ పెట్టినప్పుడు కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ here not k వాల్యూ ఉంది కాబట్టి k ఇంక్రీజెస్, c dash also or c also increasing. Capacitance increases, potential decreases, okay, but the charge remains constant because there is no battery. కెపాసిటెన్స్ పెరిగింది కానీ ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వాలంటే బ్యాటరీ ఉండాలి కాబట్టి బ్యాటరీ లేదు కాబట్టి ఛార్జ్ అంతే ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం దాని గురించి. ఓకే, ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.